I'm at the Judge building. Oh, looks like it's already here. Otis. Managed to get on the, what looks like, service elevator, and these are a replacement fixture, and I guess there's no door close. Tiny little indicator. Oh, we are moving. Okay. Wow, these old elevators I've been in move smoother than the new ones. It's incredible. Ooh, wonder if I got that leveling on video or not. We can also go to B. Yeah, we can go to B. So these fixtures here, it's just a panel. No door close or anything. And a tiny little indicator. So small. So small I have to zoom in on it in order to see it. And it appears fuzzy because zooming always appears a bit fuzzy, but I'm gonna go to the lobby and double call it to get the other one. These look like a Lexan replacement of sorts. I think, what is it, armor version or something like that? First floor. So let's do a double call here. Does the other one work? There it is. This one has the interior. Regular interior. Much nicer. Same tiny indicators though. Go up to 7. I'm only going to take another single ride on this. Do the zoom in, seems to work better that way. It's just a little shaky here. I mean, most people probably won't notice or care with this, not like my old videos. 7 here, let's close it up. There's one. Old armor fixtures. We already looked at the cab, so what we'll do is we'll keep a indicator view till we get to 1, and then I'm gonna zoom back out. Let's watch and see if we got some leveling here. That we do. Alrighty. That's it.